everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I'm going with my small companions. Many of you requested me to bring them back in my videos. So finally, today we are going together. Today we are going in our fishery pond. Before we used to do paddy field, but we don't do paddy field anymore. So, I'm so want to pass you on a business for us. I'm not sure what I say. Abla Satikan Bajahan to Kujashevana. So, finally, Aji Monjasi. Dijon Manu Nai, Ektakam Grasik Datu Postia. Notun member as it, though Monjasi Mohan Naga Fishery Bonde Jasi. I'm not sure Janda Poela Mon Baniki Dikorashi. Poela vlog Sambra to Janda. Today we are going to do mukbang from the field since I'm taking them after a long time. I have to treat them, so I've brought smoked pork, akuni and egg. We will see how we will cook after reaching the spot. So stay tuned. Finally we are reaching, so they are very happy. Our field is below this, huh? Oh, Amba. One day we will come here to catch crabs. Finally reached our field. See, this is our hut. I'm going to make paka house. This is for temporary only. See, this is how it looks. Sabi do small po kasi. Wala la kasi. This is 5-6 months old smoked pork, egg, and where is akuni? Akuni kasi ah. Oh, see, akuni is here. Ye dekho, mera fishery bone. This is our fishery bone. Sabi ito kasi mula fisher bondo. Ito to iman to tangor do na hoy mula sabi mo phabe sabi ki lagu sila mo phabe to ito pura sabi bamboo kasa jana ito pura khundola phabe sabi bi idia gara sa hana ito ra manu ra hi hora na ito khunde bi besh manu lagise aro bi ito winter de sita ito kadi dibo aro ito level ko lo aro gara sa abisire to le o to bamboo bi mo hana khiri pitor dase ito nije ito pura fisher bone banai dibo. Look at this. These are our mango trees, but this year they did not bear well. Only one tree bore some fruits. Tumu tu joy?
Misi.
Ha?
Misi.
Ke huai da na ke?
Ya re.
Ke?
Oi.
I don't know what it is called in English. We used to call it missy. It's like peach only, but it's small in size. How do you get on here, Jay? Right here. Wow. Wow. This is jackfruit. Good, Ajile. Good, good. Ngana. Hả? Ngana kire. Ek da juda ba yala ba show am. Oh, oh. Wow. Wah, 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 wah. See. Try कर सकते इधर टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा oh oh ah that's it let me try ah it's a bit of sweet and sour. I really like this because I don't like much sweet. This is sweet and sour. It's very refreshing. Ah. Oh. Another one. I mean, no one nagas ang chole. Now I'm going to feed the fish. Can you see that? Wow, saya dalam mukbang lah nanti gua. Guys. This is local potato. We are harvesting local potato. These are small in size, but it's very tasty and pure organic. Sabi, see, I've already washed. Sabah gula siya. Dumala siya deh. Look at its texture. You will know how well it's smoked from its texture. Idu sabi, kiman phalra idu smoke guna si idu sadira jani jai. To tayo laga texture do sabi man idu ice nishna dikhe ase glass nishna. Now I will show you the ingredients. This is akuni, tomato, spring onion, fresh ginger, and fresh red and green chilies. This is how we cook authentic Naga style pork curry. Yego. Idia anda chile bolas de. Pole bi sabi. Pajam bra bukil dishe. Bukina jam gurigena biarai pura pangai digena se. पूरा बिया हो जाना इदवान छुई दही फालो लसे सभी इदो अखुनी आरो लोकल आलू मेहन गोला से इदो फादा से आरो इदो सब्जी ओ आ बाबा सब्जी दो ना को भी माला माल सभी मंगशिदा हे ओ बोले नहीं smoked pork world's best smoked pork you cannot find this even in 7-star also and see this ladle egg and these are our plates this is how we serve okay First bite. Ah. Absolutely delicious. Mala mala sale. Ơi, Yên ạ. Mala mala to. Mala mala siung. I'm having black tea after lunch. See, the day was sunny, but it looks like it's suddenly going to rain. Be tu madai chole bi achanak bra. Parish ki or nishan se sabi to It's raining heavily. See. ठीक बड़ा बारिश गिरा से ठीक बड़ा तुम मारे थे क्या तो ठीक बारिश गिरा से तो अंधेरा से वो बल्ले से भी पेशी गिरा से सभी ठीक बड़ा बारिश गिरा से और अंधेरा हो जाए Now we are going home. It's raining heavily. See, look at clouds. Bye bye. See you in next video.